Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth. Ensure you have a new screen specifically designed for your HPCS model. Before starting the repair, make sure to power off the device and disconnect it from any power source. First, remove the back cover of your laptop. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew all the screws securing the back panel. Remember to keep the screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips. With the back cover off, locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical issues while you work on the screen. Now, let's move to the front assembly. You will need to remove the bezel surrounding the screen. Use the plastic spudger to carefully detach the bezel from the screen. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the plastic. After removing the bezel, you will see screws securing the screen. Remove these screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. Once the screws are out, carefully tilt the screen forward to access the cables connected to it. Disconnect the cables gently, ensuring you don't damage the connectors. Now, take your new screen and connect the cables to it. Make sure the connections are secure to prevent any issues when you power the device back on. Once connected, tilt the screen back into position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before putting the bezel back, it's a good idea to clean the internal components with a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help maintain the overall health of your laptop. Now, replace the bezel by snapping it back into place, ensuring that all clips are secured. Once the bezel is firmly attached, it's time to reattach the back cover. Position it correctly and screw it back in place. Before you finish up, reconnect the battery. If you're unsure about any step or don't have the tools needed, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you prefer, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service. Finally, power on your laptop to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you have successfully replaced your screen. If you encounter any issues, we can provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Thank you for following this tutorial, and happy repairing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.